When we shellac a floor, we like to work from one end to the other end. Pick, say, 5 boards or so, and stay with those 5 boards all the way across the room. And you definitely don't want to do any kind of overlapping on the shellac because you will see it. Well, this is our first coat. We will put 2 coats on this to give it that nice glossy finish. Now you can stand between coats, but that is very laborsome. So we're just going to put 2 brushed on nice clean coats. No sanding. Right now you can see the shellac looks a little dry in areas. The second coat will take care of that. Here's our finished shellac floor. 2 coats. And you can put as many coats on as you want. This was done with no stain, just the orange color of the shellac.